Hello viewers and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network, and this afternoon let us take a look on what President Mnangagwa has said regarding succession qualifications. So if you want to succeed him, there are certain qualifications which you should meet, and none in the nation of Zimbabwe has those qualifications, which means Mnangagwa is simply saying mese amugoni kundisucceeda ndinofanira kuenda beyond 2028 2030 zvichienda zvakadaro kusvika iye wacho afa. Let us hear what he had to say before we go any further.
This young man who was talking here, Mohadi, he says he wants to be like me. I said a few things he can do. When I was young, at the age of 19, I was sentenced to death. That has not happened to him. He must go through that first. I survived because I was underage. But he won't survive because he's above age, so he'll get hanged. I took poison and remained unconscious for 3 days. I said he must do the same and see whether he will survive. But he is looking for the easier things only. So Mohadi, those are the challenges. If you want to be president, take poison first. And then survive after 3 days.
So if you take a look on what Emmerson Mnangagwa has said right there, he was directing this to Kembo Mohadi, but it's not only Kembo Mohadi. It also involves people like General Chiwenga. This is a very clear message to these comrades. Remember, these people participated in the liberation struggle. And Mohadi is a former military man. Chiwenga is also a former military man, both of them. And these are the people who are being told or given conditions kuti kana munhu wapinda mupower. Number one, unofanira kunge wakatombotongerwa rufu. Number two, unofanira kunge wakatombosurvive poisoning. So if you take a look onto these conditions, then one thing we can agree is this is Mnangagwa just trying to set conditions or trying to diplomatically tell these guys kuti simply because I survived hanging, simply because I survived poison, I must continue leading Zimbabwe till donkeys grow horns. This is what he's saying. This is the reason why you are seeing the Herald continuously reporting about 2030, 2030, 2030, 2030. So what is happening at this point in time must be known by everyone that this is actually madness in the nation of Zimbabwe. These comrades vakabatwa mabhora kuti dzvi, and there is nothing they are going to do about it. The only way out is to make sure that they involve Advocate Nosun Chamisa, put him on the forefront of everything. This is the only way out. So if they continue to try from within, vanopera vese kufa. This is what he is insinuating. Kuti ukada chigaro ichi, you die for it, you be poisoned, and you will not survive it. Or we'll charge you with treason and we will hang you. This is a clear message which is being sent right there. I do not know if there is any other explanation which surpasses this. This is my own view, but if you take a look onto any other person other than Emmerson Mnangagwa himself or these comrades, Kembo Mohadi and Chiwenga, who else is going then to succeed him as the president of the Republic of Zimbabwe according to the constitution? He said this, and when he was in China, he then talked about constitutionalism. How can you talk about constitutionalism when people have to suffer for them to be presidents? The constitution does not give a suffering as a condition for you to become a president. The constitution says you must be 40 years elected by the people. These are the conditions. And, you are being given a new set of conditions, which means this is the reason why they have denied Advocate Nosun Chamisa a chance to lead Zimbabwe. So if these people do not wake up vachamuka vese vachazosvinura wakufemera pamusoro sendere wakuenda kunational heroes eka. That is the only truth. Those comrades who are dying like flies, they only understand the language. Vakutofa ndopavanozonzwisa language yacho, but vanenge vasina zvekuzviita. So this is Team Zimbabwe. I do not know your thoughts, but I think I have explained what I see and what I view on this whole thing. Tell me your thoughts. What do you think about this whole statement?